Who here knows what macaroni is?
And cheese!
Not the kind with cheese.
I know what it is.
What is it, Hilla?
It's fancification.
No. Yes, it is. And I mean a different kind. So this is a macaronic song. It was written in the 14th century using a mixture of Latin and German. And in the course of rehearsing, I sang it over a number of times, and as happens so often when one becomes very familiar with a tune, one finds words arising in the mind. So this is now a song in Latin, German, and English. There's also a set of words that many of you probably know that I will not be singing, but if you want to sing those along with the second verse, you are welcome.
What could possibly go wrong?
In Dulci Jubilo, nun singet seid froh, unseres Herzen Wohner leiht in Präsepio, und leuchtet aus die Sonne, matris in gremio, Alpha est et O, Alpha est et O. O Jesu, parvole, nach dir ist mir so weh, trost mir mein Gemüter, o puer optime, durch all deinen Gluter, o princeps gloriae, trahe me post te, trahe me post te. Rejoice, my friends, and sing.